All right, Ty, in a problem like this, your first step is going to be to, use the distributive property to get rid of the parentheses. We can't really simplify until we've gotten rid of those parentheses. And, the key is there anything in front of the parentheses? We're going to use the distributive property to get rid of those if we can. In this case, that minus sign, we're going to treat like a -1. And then we're going to take that -1 and multiply it times each of our terms inside the parentheses to make them go away. So we'll wind up with, -1 times 5x squared is -5x squared, and -1 times -7x is going to be a positive 7x. And then the rest of our terms, we haven't dealt with them yet, we've just got to bring them down. So that plus 8x squared at the end is going to come down, that 2x in the front is going to come down. Okay, our next step is going to be to look for like terms and combine them to finish cleaning up. So the 2x and the 7x have the same variable pieces, right? And so we can combine those by adding the coefficients. 2 plus 7 gives us a total of 9. The variable part doesn't change, so we'll get 9x for that term. And then the -5x squared and the positive 8x squared are like terms as well, because the x squared parts, the variable parts, are identical. We can add those. So -5 plus 8 is going to give me a positive 3. The variable part doesn't change. Can't go any further because our last two terms here are not like. One of them has an x and one of them has an x squared. So this is going to be our final answer. Okay, hopefully this is helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions.